guys, so today we are going to be doing something a little bit different. I am doing my tile flooring in my bathroom. So this little patch right here is what it used to be. I did prime my floor once, but I've walked on it and such, so I'm gonna re-go over that. And I just kind of wanted to show you guys the process. So I am using the Valspar Stain Blocking Bonding Primer and Sealer. The thing about this is that it is white, and so I'm not actually going to use it to seal everything. But the other paint that I have for the actual color of the tile has a nice gloss to it, and I did this in my downstairs master, and it's held up really great thus far. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to set you guys up here, and we'll do a little time lapse. Okay guys, so we let this sit for 2 hours, and this is how the floor looks all primed. Now what we're gonna do is go in with this Rust-Oleum high performance gloss paint here. I have it in smoke gray and then white, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna make like a very white, light gray flooring. So I'm gonna mix that up and then we'll get going. Okay, so we have the color mixed up here. What I'm gonna do is go around and start lining, and then we'll take the roller and roll. It takes like, at max, probably 30 minutes, which is awesome. Good morning, guys. I have my coffee. It is about 9 o'clock in the morning, so I finished this yesterday at 2. Usually you want 24 hours for it to cure to your floor, but I checked it this morning and it is dry. I am going to wait to put down everything and decorate in there until my floor is dry, but I wanted to show you guys. Oh, Oh. So I am going to flip you guys around here and give you a full-on view. I absolutely love it, and yay! Alright guys, so this is the white gray color. It's so amazing. Like, I love it. You can tell in like the different light when it's gray. But you can also see in like the actual light, and when we get more natural sunlight in here, it's gonna look more white than gray. Oh, there's a hair on the floor, sorry. So I am just obsessed. And I also did do down here in the closet as well. Oh, seriously, guys, for 30 bucks, I mean, for $30, I am obsessed. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. I am gonna probably be doing more because with us being stuck inside, there's just so much to do in home improvement, and why not? Next, what I wanna do in here is decorate, so I might do a little video or a montage of that for you guys. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. Comment what else you guys wanna see home renovation wise. We're gonna be ripping out our deck and doing landscaping this spring, which probably will be next week because lockdown. Yeah, I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.